What's going on, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video, and this time I'm gonna talk about the Sony A6100 that just came in. So let's unbox this little bad boy. Of course, there is the warranty letters, manual stuff that we don't read at all. What we got here? Just a very boring stuff. Cables. That is not the battery, but a battery charger thingy. Right, let's put that aside. We got the strap. This is actually quite a small strap, by the way. And then we got a little eyepiece. I've got here the Sony A6000 without the eyepiece. I lost that somewhere along the years. Don't know where it is. Where's the battery? So the battery must be already inside. Alright, so here it is, the Sony A6100. And it is pretty much the same. But of course, it's a little bit beefier, but yes. Of course, the flippy screen and the I cannot flip screen. So that's the upgrade that you get if you buy a Sony A6100. And let's find the battery. Is it here? Yes, it is here. The battery is already inside, so I hope there's a little bit of juice in it. Alright, so that's the little unboxing part. I'm gonna check it out later on and do a first impression shot in this video, and then gonna compare it. So this one will cost you around 600 bucks. This one will cost you around 400 bucks. Is it worth upgrading? Is it worth spending that much more money on a newer camera? Or is the Sony A6000 still worth buying in 2020? Let's find out that later in a different video. First, I'm gonna test out this bad boy right here and see if it is any good or not. Alright, that's all. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more of these little bad boys, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck. Alright, so this is the first test with the Sony A6100. How does it look? 4K 24 frames per second. No, sorry, 25 frames per second, because we are in Europe. And this is the video with the Sony A6000. How does that look?